In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unique and eye-catching brand identity for your Etsy shop using Canva, perfect for setting your store apart with some personalized flair. Let's dive right in by heading over to canva.com. Canva is an amazingly versatile online design tool that features a wide array of templates and resources perfect for those who may not be professional designers yet want to produce something professional looking. Once you're on the site, you'll need to choose either a logo or a banner template depending on what part of your shop you're looking to enhance. The logo template offers a more compact space often used for profile images and branding marks, whereas the banner template provides a wider canvas ideal for headers and larger displays. After picking your template, it's time to inject your personal branding touch by customizing it with your shop name and your preferred color scheme. This is where you get creative. Think about the personality and vibe you want your brand to convey. Are you going for something calm and elegant, bright and playful? You can change fonts, adjust sizes, and add different elements that echo your shop's identity. Canva makes this easy with its user-friendly interface, allowing you to drag and drop elements, tweak colors, and even upload your own images or icons to create something truly yours. Once you're satisfied with your design, the next step is to download your newly created images. To do this in Canva, simply click on the Download button at the top right corner of the screen. You'll usually be prompted to choose the file format, such as PNG or JPEG, depending on what you need for Etsy. PNG files are often recommended for graphics like logos due to their high quality and ability to handle transparent backgrounds. Now, it's time to bring your artwork to life on Etsy. Head over to your Etsy admin page and click on Shop Manager on the top of the screen. From there, select Settings and then Info and Appearance. This page is where the customization magic happens. You'll find options to upload your logo and banner. Just hit the upload button next to each section and select the images you downloaded from Canva. Once the upload is complete, make sure everything looks right and fits properly within the space. Etsy will show you a live preview to check how it all appears together. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you've designed and implemented a personalized professional logo or banner that's sure to attract attention and give potential buyers a strong sense of your brand's identity. This attention to detail not only strengthens your shop's presence, but also helps to create a memorable experience for every visitor who comes across your beloved Etsy store. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.